Hey guys, I just pulled up the Mauna Loa Solar Observatory. They've got some images up. This is yesterday. I'm pretty sure they sanitized it. There's 37 images available, 10-minute average, 2-minute cadence. I think that applies to this one. I think we're only going to get every 4 minutes on this full screen movie. This one here, you really don't get to see the whole circumference area. But anyway, let's download it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is yesterday, so I'll slow it down. See what I mean? I'm getting every 4 minutes, basically. So they cut it. Only getting 18 images. But so what I mean by sanitize it, they took away a lot of these streamers that you see in here, I believe. But I'm going to show you the one for today, which looks like it hasn't been done over yet. I could be wrong. Maybe this hasn't been done over, but in the past they have been, from what I observed, by pulling it up on the same day and then looking at it on the following day. Here you get the circle, magnetic circle spheres here or whatever, because this is picking up some type of magnetic signatures too on this gamma white light photograph. But look at these flashes, man. What the heck is that? I'm not sure. Let's see, what time's the flash occurring? So it looks like it's just right around midnight hour on October 13th. Let me pull up a solar, see what time any solar flares went off maybe. Well, I'm pretty sure we didn't have any solar flares from the sun anyway directly. Here's this is a good site. You get a lot of good links on here. Solar Ham. Here's all the links over here. Now, there's the KP index. So that's going to register solar activity coming from the sun. And we're not getting a whole lot right around that. We got some before, but I'm going to say that maybe this would be probably due to some of the high electrons bleeding in that we saw on my previous video. Maybe when that big splash of red came on, it was around that same time. We'll have to go back and look. Whoa, Nellie. I'm glad I pulled that MLSO run up. Look at this. There's the big splash that you saw if you were watching the previous vid I just made. This is the one I just put up like a couple hours ago. There it is. I don't know why I'm so freaking blurry, but these times match up. Well, no, these don't. These two do. These two are synced and these three are synced. That's right. But anyway, look. Same time as that MLSO. Right around midnight, 23:56, we got this big splash of energy coming in around the Earth. Watch the date. There's 13, right around. Right when it turned over, right around midnight, we had the big splash, see? Happened right around the 23. So, oh man, that's it for sure. For sure. Oh, you'll have to go back and watch the vid. I can play it, but and this is electrons at the highest energy, highest electron count, which means these guys zip around pretty quick. So we got this one at 10 keV, and this is I'm just going to mute it. Anyway, we'll pull it back a little bit. Okay, so that's around 1900. So I'll hit play and then go to full screen. You can watch the big splash come in. That's also showing up on ISWA, or I mean on MLSO. See it? Big splash came in. That's 1600, 1700's coming in. Didn't quite get inside the geosynchronous orbit, which is 22,000. There it is. Wow. See the big splash around 2300? This is the geosynchronous orbit, which is 22,236 miles around the Earth. That's where these GOES satellites are orbiting that are giving you all these space weather ISWA from ISWA data. I gotta see that again. Okay, here we go. Here it comes. 22. Wow, splash. Okay. Let's see what it did up here. See if there's I don't think there was any missing time around there. Oh wait, that's right. It's different. I don't know if this one goes back that far. Yeah, I'm sure it does. Oh well, anyway, you can go play around with that on that other video if you want. Or you can even pull up the ISWA runs yourself. Some guy asked me where I got the simulations in the comment sections, and I put the link in. But there it is, man. Flash. Right around the 2300 mark. Same as on those Folk radiation belt monitors. Now here's the other one. This is for today, the 14th. We're not getting too many images on this one. But look what we got. Look at that stuff flying through, man. Shit's getting pretty freaking large. Pardon my French. And they're not giving us too many images. And look, there's a lot of missing time here. Well, not really. Let me check. Missing time. Only getting about 5 images. Yeah, every 4 seconds. And then it jumps from 740 to 1932, and then they cut the feed. So there must have been a whole lot of stuff happening. They decided just, that's it. If you go in tomorrow, you'll see. I bet you these things aren't going to be flying through like that. Look how freaking big they are. This is like a 15-second time-lapse open shutter shot that they're catching this thing flying through. So it's not going exactly that fast as we're showing on this replay. Then you can see some other little stuff flying around. See what I mean by them sanitizing it? You can hardly see the circular images that I showed you on yesterday's one. But anyway, I don't want to kill you with too much here. I'll leave you a link for this calendar. This is for the Mauna Loa Solar Observatory. And you can just pull it up and look at this stuff at your leisure. Let's look at that flash again. Here it comes. 1600, 1700. You can see it bleeding in. Well, these aren't synced, but if you go back and look, you'll see that stuff coming from behind, and there it is. Splash. Splash. Okay, God bless, guys. Peace, and I'm out. And I'll put these links below.